Hello everyone, and welcome to today's Telescript tutorial video. Today we're going to be talking about the run list feature in Telescript AV. And if you've just installed Telescript AV, it's likely that you've got a window that's asking if you want it to work in single script mode or run list mode. Depending on how you've set that, you may not be in run list mode. So in order to be able to do that, let's go up to your tools and your preferences, and if you go over to the miscellaneous tab, you're going to see in the middle here there's a little run list window. Right now, as you can see, we're only in single script mode, so this particular configuration will only allow you to open one script at a time. But to be able to use the run list and be able to open up multiple scripts at a time, simply just select use run list. Now over here you have a couple of other features that you can select on and off. You can just check these on and off as you like. But other than that, that's pretty much all you're going to get for run list features in the preferences menu. So once you've got use run list checked off, you can click OK. And now you see your desktop, but you don't see the run list. The only way to see the run list is hit the F2 key. And there is what your run list window is going to look like in Telescript AV. So let's go ahead, let's add some scripts. So if we go up here, we can actually, let's do this. Let me load a run list that I've already got configured. The sample run list. And here we go. We've got a bunch of scripts in a run list. And just to give you a quick idea, because the run list in Telescript AV works a little differently than the one in Telescript Pro. In Telescript AV, all of these files in this run list, they're actually just pointers. They're pointing to the location of the file when you loaded it. So if I go ahead and I click Homer, I'm not actually opening up a new window with this script like I am in Telescript Pro, which has multiple windows opened up at a time. In Telescript AV, you only have one window open up at a time. So every time you go and access one of these scripts in the run list, you're actually closing the script that you have open and opening a new script within the interface. So that essentially is how the run list is created in Telescript AV. It's just a collection of pointers to the files that you have here. But similar to the way the Telescript Pro run list works, you can just click, drag, and drop, click, drag, and drop in order to be able to create your own custom script order in your run list. You've also got these little check marks here. Let's just say, for instance, someone in this show decides that they're not going to show up. So instead of going in and closing the script if you didn't want to, you can just simply uncheck the script. So as you scroll, if you get to the Marcus Aurelius script, while Poe is the next one in the run list, it's actually going to skip it, or it's going to float past it, and it's going to go straight to Confucius. So any of these that you have checked off will not link as you go through your script order when you're scrolling. And one other thing I do want to cover is, I get a lot of questions about people saying, well, I've created a run list on this computer, but I want to take that run list and the scripts and move it to another computer. And the answer is yes, you can absolutely do that. There is a separate video that I've got on the channel for exporting the run list. So I encourage you to find that video, take a look at it, and that'll really do a deep dive on how you can properly export run lists from one computer to another and maintain all of your scripts, all of your run list orders, all of your attributes, and all that stuff. So I encourage you to take a look at that video. That'll really give you an idea about how you can export run lists. Finally, over here you've got a whole bunch of things that you can do. You can save your run list, you can load a run list, you can remove a script. So if I click Confucius and I hit remove, there we go, I've removed it. I can also click a script and I can go up, move it through the run list. And these two buttons down here, the update NR and disable, basically those buttons are connected to the MOS gateway. So if you're working in a MOS environment with updates coming from ENPS or iNews or Octopus or some sort of newsroom system like that. Once upon a time, Telescript AV used to be able to do it, but those functions really moved over to Telescript Pro. So if you're looking to work with iNews or any MOS newsroom environment, you should be using Telescript Pro and not Telescript AV for that functionality. And that pretty much covers it. If you have any questions, you can just give us a call, 201-767-6733, or drop us an email, info@telescript.com. Thanks for watching.